Hello friends, I'm back and I want to show you what we are dealing during this winter season, and we'll also show you the impact of this snow. You can still don't see it. Maybe I need to go outside so I could show you and you will see it better. I can walk on it. I can go out. Let's see how high this snow is. Let me work on this. I've been busy working on this snow for a long time. So, oh my God, I need to take it slow. Do you see those? It's supposed to be coming down, going here, and there. But since there's snow on the ground, the water can't flow through. Yan, kaya naging ganyan. It's like stalactites. Let me take a closer look. There. Only in this area. And it's all because of this. So I need to work on this now. Finally, I hope this melting snow will now flow down here. See. This is how it looks like now outside. Okay? Friends, I'm on my way home now from supermarket. I grabbed a couple of ingredients for banana bread. Today, we will make banana bread with pecan. And these are almost all the ingredients. We have here 1.5 cup of flour.
Shifted flour.
Sinasala natin para mawala yung lumps daw ang tawag. Or parang yung mga buo-buong ano. There. Yeah. So we get a refined or fine
Shifted flour.
shifted, you call that?
Yeah. Those are shifted.
And this is all-purpose flour.
But little,
Pinch of salt.
1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Half teaspoon of baking soda.
I think that's it. Banana.
Overripe banana. Should it be an overripe banana?
Yeah. So that you can mash it easily.
Or ripe banana maybe. That's 3 bananas.
Yeah. They can use the mashed potato smasher.
They can use the mashed potato smasher para mabilis mag-mash ng banana. 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar.
You can use the beater, but I'd rather use this sauce.
So you're doing it manually. How much is that melted butter?
1/3 cup.
1/3 cup. You add the melted butter.
For the pan. Then mix well.
And now you're adding your banana.
Yeah.
Then you're adding vanilla.
Should be vanilla essence.
Should be banana essence. Is that right?
Yeah.
But you don't have banana essence, you're using vanilla.
Yeah.
And how much is that?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Now you're pouring it into your flour.
You see that? The
Yeah.
black one?
May buto pa yata yung ano mo. Yung banana. That's from banana.
Then mix well.
Mhm.
Bake. Start.
350. Mas madali i-mix kapag no, na shift yung flour, wala na yung buo-buo. Kailangan niya salain, mas madali magganyan.
Like that.
You're brushing it with butter para hindi dumikit,
Yeah.
So your banana cake will
Yeah,
not
just
stick.
some remaining
Oo.
butter that was left in the container.
Mhm. You will pour it there.
Let's roll this.
That's the pecan. You're putting the pecan. You didn't crush it.
No.
Because of mother.
No, it's not mother. Those person who doesn't want,
So whoever
they can
do
remove
not
it.
want pecan,
They
can
can remove it.
they can remove it. So you didn't crush it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I like pecan. So it's a whole pecan.
Your oven is ready.
Okay.
It goes there.
Okay.
Need for about 1 hour. Okay. It's less than 1 hour.
It's already cooked.
It's cooked?
Yeah.
Okay. Ang bango. I'd like to have a big slice of that. Wow. There you go.
Shop our best ever collection of Christmas gifts at lovehoney.com.
Wow. Soft and moist. Problema, magsa-shopping ka ganito. Hirap. You see that? Hirap Friends, thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye for now.